Hello everyone, welcome to 3ddesignacademy.com. In this lesson, we will learn about the Project Tangent tool. The tool is located under Curve Edit and it is the fifth tool located right here. And the tool allows you to align a curve or a surface and achieve tangency or curvature to another curve or a surface. So let me show you guys what it does. So let me just bring up a surface over here. So what this allows you to do is, let's say you grab this tool and you click the curve and the surface. Basically, it allows you to align it a tangent or curvature depending on how you want it. So right now it's set at tangency. So if you were to update it to curvature by clicking here, now it's aligned to curvature. Now, this also allows you to, let me just delete this curve, to align a surface, but it is slightly different from align when you're aligning surface. So let me show you guys what I mean. So let's say I create a rail like this. Right now it is just a positional, it's not tangent or curvature aligned. But let's say you want to align this edge over here, then you can grab the Project Tangent tool. And what you can do is click the edge like this. It'll create a curve and you can just click this edge and it'll align just this edge curvature to this edge. So if you see the CV structure here, you'll see that this one stayed the same and this one stayed the same, and only this one is now curvature aligned. Okay, so that's the Project Tangent tool. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.